Hey everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop CS6 tutorial. And in this one we're going to continue from the last tutorial and we're going to learn how to modify the vector mask. Now with the vector mask we're going to use the properties panel, just like the layer mask, to modify it up a little bit. So let's go ahead and select your layer and have your vector mask selected, and you're going to want to come to the properties panel, which is this one right here. And when you open it, you can see that properties is masks, and you can see that vector mask is selected. If it says layer mask right here, then you got it wrong and you don't have the right thing selected. Go back into your layers panel, select your vector mask, and then open up the properties. Now we've got some things I'm going to go over here with you. We've got density, which if I move this down, you can see what's going on here. The background is becoming more opaque. You can see that there. And if I go with feather here, you can see that the edges are becoming more soft and blurred. So that's what you can do with the vector mask. Notice that on refine here, these are all blurred out and you can't really do anything. The next things I want to show you here is we've got our, this is the button you press to turn your mask into a selection, and when I clicked on it you can see the marching ants, which signifies selection made. I hit Control D to deselect. Here is the apply mask button. If I click on the apply mask, it's going to make the vector mask all one layer and cut out the background and everything like that. I hit Control Z to go back. We've got our disable mask button here. So if I click on that, it's going to disable the mask. If I click on it again, it enables it. And then we've got our delete mask button here. So that's easy enough. Another thing I wanted to show you was how to link and unlink your mask. If you go into your layers panel, you can see that there's a little chain link here. And notice when it's on and I move the mask around, everything stays in place. Except for the background of the mask stays in place. The background doesn't slide around on you, it's just fixed. But if you look in the layers panel here, you can see that the actual image itself is moving around with the mask. Now if I go ahead and click on the chain link here, it unlinks it. Now I go to move my mask, and all I'm doing now is I'm sliding the background. This is how you can get different parts of your mask around, or different parts of your image around in the mask. So if you need to move it around and find a different spot that you want to have your mask in, do that, and then you can click back in the area where that chain link was, and now you're able to move around your mask. So another thing that I want to show you that is if you shift click on your mask, it disables it. Which is the same as clicking on the eye in the properties panel. So if I shift click this, or if I could just do it like this, same thing. And as I check my notes here, there's nothing else I need to go over. So that's what I wanted to go over in this tutorial. Use your properties panel to adjust the different properties of your mask. Make sure it's on vector mask here as it tells you. If you have layer mask selected, which would be this button right here, you can unselect it by clicking on the vector mask button right there. When you have that layer mask selected, you can just delete that out. That way you don't have extra masks and everything in there. So that's all I wanted to go over, and I thank you for watching the tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you really liked it. Have a good one, everyone.